What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate your time. I truly do. Today is great on many levels, like boom, 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 whatever, like all the levels. One, I woke up. That's always a good thing. Two, it's not raining. Well, it's not raining yet. It's been like gray day, raining for like all winter, and that just kills any kind of motivation for me. Yeah, don't like it. Three, I passed final inspection. So, no more templates, no more 30-day this, 30-day that. I got my perma plates, and wham, I got my green sticker. Green sticker, what? That's awesome. So 2 years, no more inspection, done. And four, it is time to do our 200-mile oil change in our Forester. And I guess in 5, finally gonna push the thing out, move the stuff on the floor, and get my freaking shop floor clean because it is absolutely disgusting. So, let's jump into it. If you don't use it, you're wrong. Y'all, I really need to get a big rolling toolbox. This is just unacceptable on every level. All right, now time for a little bit of cleaning.